Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I help you how to set up variable radius for circle command. Okay, it's so easy. You type CI, select here, and then new value, for example 50, enter, finish. So and then CI, select circle, click enter, click enter, click enter. Very easy. So variable radius not set. So you only modify radius circle commands. CI enter. For example 60, enter, continue, click enter, click enter, click enter. Very easy. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next video tutorial.